Hi my people, let's make quick Sunday jollof rice. Today we'll be using fish. So the fish is well fried now. I scoop out some of the oil I use in frying the fish. I added in my onions. Give that a good mix. Okay, add in your tomato paste. Give that a good mix to dry a bit. So I'll be using bell pepper. I didn't use fresh tomatoes. Now you add in your bell pepper, you give that a good mix, add in your mixed seasoning. These are all the seasoning I use in making this jollof rice. Okay, add in your thyme, add in your nutmeg, Maggi cube, and give that a good mix as well. Allow it to dry. Okay, now do you see how the tomato is now? It's dried. So this thing that I put in is my mixture. I will leave the list of the ingredients I blended. Okay, this is pepper, grinded pepper. So I will list it so you can know what I blended. Okay, so this is my well washed rice. You need to combine to mix properly. I added in onions, dip in the fried fish. Then use nylon to cover. I don't have a foil. If you don't have foil, you are free to improvise. So I improvised and I used nylon to cover my own. So the rice is not well done, so I added in small water and covered to cook a bit. So the rice is ready. If you watch up to this extent, kindly subscribe to my channel, kindly comment. Okay, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. This rice is really delicious, guys. You need to have a taste. You need to have it. Come in, let's enjoy. Premier or nothing. Now you know. I never gave boom. I gave was in on the ababola. Hey.